countless opportunities have emerged through the internet which enable us to earn income while still living in the comfort of our homes. Prolific is one such platform that brings together researchers and participants for online surveys. Let's look into how Prolific works and what it entails.
What is Prolific?
Prolific serves as an online recruitment website for researchers from various academic institutions and organizations who conduct research studies. The platform connects researchers who need participants for their studies with a pool of eligible individuals looking to earn money online by participating in these studies. Prolific aims to provide high-quality, diverse participant samples for research projects.
How does Prolific work?
While creating a study on Prolific, researchers determine the requirements for participation and tasks that need to be completed by participants. Online research such as experiments, surveys, and a few others are what are included in these studies. Once a study is created, Prolific's system goes ahead to connect willing participants with available studies based on their demographics and previous participation history. Participants can choose which studies they want to participate in and complete the tasks assigned to them within a given time frame.
How do I sign up on Prolific?
Joining the platform can be done through visiting the Prolific website and clicking Register. You will be required to create an account with your email address and a password. After you register, you will be required to confirm some details. These are your email address, your mobile phone number, and your ID. Additionally, you will be required to complete your profile, which is done by providing your name, date of birth, gender, and country of residence, among other details. It is essential to give the right information to increase your chances of being matched to studies that suit you best.
What experience is required to work on Prolific?
A characteristic of Prolific that makes it attractive is that it does not need you to have any specialized professional experience or qualification to take part in the research studies. The platform aims to include participants from different backgrounds, ages, and demographics to have a diverse pool of participants for research projects. On the other hand, as a participant, you are expected to provide accurate and trustworthy answers during your participation in the studies. As researchers do rely on data, you must be accurate in following the instructions and giving honest responses. The ability to be attentive to details, patience, and the determination to see tasks through to the end without making mistakes are traits that will not only make your experience on Prolific enjoyable but rewarding as well.
How much can I earn on Prolific?
The amount you can earn per month on Prolific can vary greatly due to factors like the number of studies available, your qualification for those studies, and the time you are willing to spend on those studies. Prolific is a platform where researchers share surveys and studies, and participants can earn money for their time and participation in the studies. Prolific studies on average pay around $6 to $10 per hour. Nevertheless, the number of studies that are available on a daily basis may fluctuate, and some of them might have specific eligibility criteria that you need to meet. In order to fully benefit from the Prolific platform, it's important that you check the platform frequently, make sure your profile is up to date and accurate, and be quick to respond to studies when they are available. Moreover, it is also good to join several research platforms or websites in order to increase the number of studies that you have an opportunity to participate in. Although the precise amount you can earn in a month on Prolific is hard to predict, there are reports of some users earning $100 to $600 per month. Do not forget that personal results may vary, and your results might be influenced by factors such as your demographic profile, location, and the number of studies available.
How do I get paid on Prolific?
Prolific pays participants for their involvement in research studies. The payment method on Prolific is primarily PayPal. The amount paid for each study can vary depending on factors such as study length, complexity, and the researcher's budget. You can view the payment amount and estimated time required to complete a study before deciding to participate. Once you complete a study and it is approved by the researcher, the corresponding payment is credited to your Prolific account balance.
When will I get paid on Prolific?
Prolific sends out payments to your PayPal account every Tuesday and Friday afternoon. Once you've made 4 cash outs to the same PayPal account, you'll automatically be moved to instant cash outs. You can track the status of your submissions and payments through your Prolific account. The platform provides a transparent overview of the pending and completed payments, allowing users to keep track of their earnings.
Which countries does Prolific hire from?
Prolific accepts participants from various countries around the world. While the platform initially started with a focus on participants from the United States and the United Kingdom, it has expanded its reach significantly. Currently, Prolific accepts participants from more than 30 countries. These countries include Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Chile, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Japan, Korea, Latvia, Luxembourg, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Slovenia, South Africa, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, and the United States of America.
Final thoughts.
Prolific offers a unique opportunity for individuals to earn money online by participating in online research studies. With a straightforward sign-up process, a wide range of eligible countries, multiple payment options, and no specific professional experience required, Prolific has become a popular platform for both researchers and participants. By connecting researchers with a diverse pool of participants, Prolific contributes to the advancement of scientific research and enables individuals to earn money conveniently from their homes. To read the full article on Prolific, click on the link in the description. To receive more updates and videos on how to make money online, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have made some good money on Prolific, let us know in the comment section, as well as the amount you made. What would you like us to cover next? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.